Hi guys, good morning. So I just took Bella and Snowy for a walk. Not too far, they don't go outside the lane for walk because they are so territorial. They're Indies, right? They just don't get along well with other dogs. So I don't take them anywhere else, just in my lane. And we came to the terrace so that they can run around for some time. And Bella loves chasing birds. So I just got them, and it is so breezy here. Like, it didn't even rain much yesterday, but it is like a little chilly and breezy, mainly breezy, which feels so good, especially because it's been so hot. Look how breezy my hair has been flying. I'm loving it. And look at these two. And just now, Snowy. He loves going on the top and sitting here. He feels like a king. Tell us, Snowy. Sleep now. He loves sleeping where it is a little sunny. I guess vitamin D. Look at him smiling. He's smiling. Now yawning. But now smiling. Look how cute. He's like a big cloud. I am doing a full-fledged closet clean out. I've cleaned out these two closets. I'm left with some more there, and I've piled up some here, but getting rid of anything that's absolutely broken. So here we go. This is the shoe rack. We've emptied out everything, and I've kept these boxes because this is mainly supposed to be a shoe rack, and it was supposed to be slanting, but there was a small mistake while getting this done itself, and they made them straight. So I put these shoe boxes, and then I placed the shoes that are on top of these, so that it gives that slanting effect, and I'll be able to see them well. So we've got to start arranging them. Has some stuff which are completely gone. Okay, I don't know what the hell this is. Can you believe this is a part of the shoe? Like, I found this. It is the heel part of some old shoe. So as a stuff I'm throwing away. So I have these two like big drawers near the window. Here usually there's a seat. Like, this is a seating area and this is the bed. So excuse all this crap. But this is where I usually keep my bags. So I'm yet to put everything. I have to clean these up and put them. But basically you get the idea. I put all my bags here, one on top of the other, and all my party wear bags go here. All my party wear bags, or like the designer bags, go inside the shelf. So I'll be putting all my clutches and bags here. This one is that potli bag. Already smell వస్తుంది.
మంచి స్మెల్ వస్తుందా?
చాలా మంచి స్మెల్ వస్తుంది. నువ్వు ఒక్కదాన్నే కూర్చొని పట్టావా?
ఎవరు వస్తారు?
మా అమ్మకి భయం, మేము ఎవరైనా హెల్ప్ చేస్తే దానిలో డాగ్ బొచ్చు లేకపోతే వెట్ హ్యాండ్స్తో పట్టుకొని పాడు చేసేస్తామని చెప్పి షీ డిడ్ంట్ లెట్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ హిస్ టచ్ ఇట్. మరి నువ్వు అన్ని ఫింగర్స్ పెడుతున్నావు?
ఇందులోకి తీసాను పచ్చడి.
తెలియలేదే. Ah. బాగుంది. మామిడికాయ పచ్చడి. పప్పు మామిడికాయ పచ్చడి కలుపుతుందని
ఓ కలిపి పెడతానండి.
చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్గా చూస్తుంది. ఏంటి వల్ల స్కేరీ. Hey guys, so we came to see a threadmill. So we wanted to get something from Aerofit, and Yash's house. I mean, his parents' house. He has the same one, so we plan to get one for our house as well. So we're gonna go see and finalize one so that we can get it ASAP. Especially because we might have a partial lockdown again. We just want to get that, and then we're gonna stop by at my house to meet my dogs, and then wanted to feed some dogs as well. Now, anyway, let's me go and get the threadmill. Bella butt scratches. Bellu. Violent person. చేపిద్దాం.
గీకేస్తుంది రక్కేస్తుంది. వెయిట్
స్నోయి బైట్ చేస్తాడు చేయికి బాబు.
బెల్లా గీరే
Made rice now because we were going to feed some dogs. It's still hot, so I'm gonna mix it with some manchiga. My dogs here, our dogs here have eaten already, so this is for some other street dogs. This is bread, milk, and lot of rice, and we'll add eggs and chicken to this. Round one of dogs. These are dogs which we've never met. My brother and Sushma keep feeding them and playing with them when they go for physio. My brother is going for physio. He had a small surgery, so he has a problem with his hand. So yeah, we're meeting these dogs for the first time. You realized that you're also. నేను వీడియోగ్రాఫర్ కొంచెం అలానే ఉన్నాడు ఆ డాగ్. హాయ్ 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 జస్ట్ హలో. Hi. Hello. Hi. 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 How are you? Hi, baby. See that small dog. ఇచ్చేయమంటుంది. మొన్న కూడా తింది నేను Curd, curd, biscuits,
alive, Priyanka.
yeah, it's fine.
No.
More food left. The same food, rice, bread, and eggs. Maya కనిపించట్లేదు. What happened? What happened? Hi.
Teja, we need to go up and dispose some of the utilities.
Da. పద దా హలో ఇక్కడ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత వచ్చిందా మాయ ఇక్కడికి
Oh my god, we don't have the machinery.
Came to this place. I showed you guys last time also. This little guest house, a rooftop garden kind of place, and they've decored it now. They've added a lot of decor and lights now. Yes. Hi, Maya.
It was far from home. Lyrics were very, very nice. మనం చెత్త తెలుగు పాట కానీ ఎంత బాగున్నాయి different.
Hi everyone. Messy hair. I've just started my day with coconut water, and now I just wanted to step out for some time to get some essentials, groceries, like this mess all around, and I want to just clean up before I go get out. That's what I'm gonna do. It's been a little bit rainy. It's raining a little bit, not much, a little breezy and nice. So let's get started with the day. I have a couple of parcels, couriers which have come, but I've placed them here. Some of them I've started opening, but there are some which I haven't opened at all. So I will show you guys few of these things. Some of them will be full hauls, but I'll show you guys some of them. Nice. Day started too early. I'm hungry. I made idli after so long, and the chutney turned out really well. It's yum. Breakfast time. Trying the idli puri from Sambar Stories. Here it is. I will tell you guys how it turns out. So I want to make the guest room into my office space plus shoot space. While looking to get the threadmill, I also wanted to move the beds and make it into a sofa bed. So we're going out to check out some furniture. I will show you guys. Last time also a lot of you guys asked me where I got the sofas. So yeah, you'll see that now.
సరిపోయాము.
Where? In a brown color, huh? I don't like it. That bed behind you is nice. Hmm. Yeah. This is perfect size. Depends on the price now. Hmm. Yeah. అప్పుడు లేదుగా
స్పేస్ సరిపోదు.
సైడ్లో మనకి కట్టేది ద ఎగ్జాక్ట్ సోఫా దట్ వీ హ్యావ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎగ్జాక్ట్ సేమ్ కలర్ హౌ మచ్ ఇస్ దిస్ 662 సేమ్ కలర్ దిస్ ఈస్ అ డిఫరెంట్ మోడల్
Space is a bit.
This place has some good colors like this western like browns and some other weird colors. I mean, I don't like them. This is cool though. I waited for so long to get this color. Now we are looking at sofa beds. Not many options. కారం ఎక్కువైందా దానిలోంచి తాగేస్తాడా ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇద్దరు we put water bowls here. Hi Bubby. Hello. Hello. Cutie. Jackie. Hi. Hello. Hi. 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 Hi.